What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Note 10. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the flashlight on and off and a few of the quick settings about it. So the way to turn the flashlight on, so if you need the flashlight to light up an area, whatever the case may be, if you scroll down, there is a little button that says flashlight on. If you go ahead and select that, it turns on your flashlight. If for whatever reason you're not seeing it here on this front screen, you can go ahead and slide over and you should probably see it here on this second screen. So then a couple other little settings about the flashlight. If right here where you see the flashlight, right below it where it says the word flashlight, if you go ahead and select that, it gives you the option to turn it on and off here, and it also gives you the option of turning up your brightness to different levels. As you guys are able to see, that's on the lowest level and that there's on the highest level. So just a quick little area. Once you have it set, you can go ahead, select done, and turn the flashlight on and off. So hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, go ahead and share it with them. And if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the Note 10, be sure to check out that playlist. That's all you got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.